For this problem, we will be adding fractions. The first thing to notice is that the denominators, or the number on the bottom, are not the same. So in order to add them, we have to form what's called a common denominator. That means we need a number that 9 will go into and 72 will also go into. For this problem, it's pretty easy that the common denominator is the 72 because 9 will divide into 72. So the second fraction already has the common denominator. Now we have to think to ourselves, we need a fraction over here that has a 72 on the bottom but is equal to 1/9. So let's think, what could I multiply 9 by to get 72? If you're thinking 8, you're right. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom of this fraction by the 8. So 1 times 8 gives me 8. In the same way that 9 times 8 gives me 72. Now notice my two fractions now have the same denominator. We're ready to go ahead and add the tops. So 8 plus 1 gives me 9, and we'll leave the denominators the same. We don't actually add them on the bottom. Now look at what we have, 9/72, and our second instruction told us to reduce our answer to lowest terms. So we need to think of a number that will divide into 9 and 72. If you're thinking 9, you're right. So I'm going to divide the top by 9, and I'm going to divide the bottom by 9. So 9 divided by 9 gives me 1, and 72 divided by 9 gives me 8. My final answer there then is 1/8.